Hey you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix dry brittle hair with my winter hair care routine using all Mielle products. So the first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my scalp with the Rosemary and Mint strengthening shampoo, which feels amazing on the scalp. Then I part my hair in fours and go ahead and detox and deep condition my hair with the rice water clay mask, which is also bomb. So I distribute it throughout my hair evenly from the roots to the tips. And then I take my rosemary and mint oil for the hot oil treatment and put that on my scalp and my ends as well. Then go ahead and put my shower cap on and sit under the steamer for 10 minutes. After rinsing out the clay mask, I go ahead and use the Loc Method to style my hair. Starting off with the white peony leave-in conditioner, the mint almond oil, the pomegranate and honey twisted souffle, and the pomegranate and honey coiling custard on the ends. And I'm doing a braid out. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid and then twist. And then take the rosemary mint oil again and put it on my scalp and my ends. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair and then let it dry overnight and fully let it dry for a full day. Shake. So I start to unravel my hair with the mint and almond oil. See the definition? So I've unravel the braids and I'm kind of separating them a little more. I don't separate it as much because my hair gets bigger each day, but it's kind of weird. I don't use a pick. I use a big comb to kind of fluff at the roots, but you can fluff it or separate it as much as you like, however big you want your hair, I guess. But this is how I do it. Comb it through more so at the roots to your liking. A little fluff here and there, a little 1-2. Do a little shake and boom. These are my results. Hair moisturized. Cute. Thanks for watching.